Look at that, Mr. Wealthwise is also here today. Thanks to him, I now know how to make awesome AI videos.
And we have a goal, and it's a beauty.
If you've been on social media lately, then you've probably seen these viral AI stadium photos everywhere. From celebrities to fictional characters, people are creating insanely realistic crowd shots, live broadcast screenshots, and cinematic fan cam images that look completely real. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create these viral AI images for free and also turn them into ultra-realistic videos using SeeDance 2. So watch till the end, and let's jump straight into it. Now, there are a few ways to create images like these, but for this tutorial, we'll use GPT Image 2 because it currently gives the most realistic results. You can also try Nano Banana Pro or Nano Banana 2, but the realism isn't as good in my testing. The best part is you can use GPT Image 2 directly inside ChatGPT for free, although the free version does have some limitations. Now, let me show you the easiest method using ChatGPT itself. So first, open ChatGPT, then simply upload your image. In my case, I'll be uploading my own photo here. After that, paste in the prompt. Now, this is the prompt that creates all the magic. And if you guys want the exact prompt, let me know down in the comments and I'll share it with you all. As you can see, the prompt is extremely detailed, and that's the reason the output looks so realistic. You can also customize a lot of things inside the prompt, like changing the jersey, team, camera angle, expression, lighting, and much more. So you can really make it your own. Once everything is ready, simply hit generate and wait a few seconds for the AI to do its thing. And boom, this is the image it created. Wow. Just look at this. This honestly looks like a real TV broadcast screenshot. The lighting, camera quality, facial details, crowd atmosphere, everything looks insanely realistic. I'm telling you guys, GPT Image 2 is absolutely crazy when it comes to realism. And the best part is, this is actually super easy to create. Now let's try one more example. But this time, there's something important you should know. Inside ChatGPT, you may run into restrictions when generating images of celebrities or public figures. So for those kinds of images, it's usually better to use third-party AI image apps instead. For this example, I'll be using Visina AI because it gives a lot more flexibility. So first, make sure GPT Image 2 is selected, then I'll upload the reference image. After that, I'll paste the same prompt. As you can see, the structure of the prompt is mostly the same because that detailed prompt is what creates the realistic broadcast effect. Once everything is ready, I'll simply hit generate and let the AI create the image, and this is the output. Wow. Just look at this. It looks absolutely incredible, extremely realistic, and almost impossible to distinguish from a real live broadcast screenshot. And as you just saw, the AI had no problem generating it. Now let me show you the best way to turn these images into realistic videos. In this example, I want her to notice the camera and then give a victory sign. But here's the important part. If you upload just a single image and ask the AI to generate the entire motion, the results usually look awkward or inconsistent. So instead, let me show you a much smarter method that gives far more realistic results. First, go to the Director's Cut tab. From here, make sure the sequence model option is selected. Then choose your sequence size depending on how many frames you want. Next, upload the image we just created. Now, inside the prompt box, simply describe the sequence of actions you want. You actually don't need to write a super detailed prompt here. Just explain the motion clearly and naturally. Now hit generate. And look at the sequence it created. Amazing. The expressions, pose changes, and camera awareness all look natural. Now here's why this method works so well. Instead of forcing the video model to imagine everything from one image, we first create a proper motion sequence. Then when we send these sequence frames into SeeDance 2, the AI gets much more context about the movement and scene progression. And because of that, the final video quality becomes dramatically better and much more realistic. So now, let's turn this sequence into a video. So now let's switch over to the video tab. From here, make sure SeeDance 2 is selected and also make sure the reference to video mode is on. Now upload the sequence images that we just created, and now comes the most important part of this entire process, the prompt. I'm telling you guys, SeeDance 2 will not give you the best results if you use a tiny or lazy prompt. The prompt quality makes a massive difference, so this is the exact workflow I personally use for almost every single video generation. First, go to the prompt lab section. From here, upload your sequence image, in this case, the sequence we just generated. Next, make sure the detailed option is selected, then choose the video duration. In my case, I went with 8 seconds. And now, all you need to do is give a very short description of the scene you want to create. That's it. Now hit generate. And this tool will create an insanely detailed cinematic prompt for you automatically. And trust me guys, it works like absolute magic. So now simply copy the generated prompt, go back to the video section, paste the prompt there, and then adjust your settings like the mode, aspect ratio, and quality. Once everything is ready, hit generate, and this is the final output. Wow, just look at this. The movement feels natural, the expressions look realistic, and overall it genuinely looks like a real broadcast clip. And I'm telling you guys, try both methods yourself. First, try generating a video using only a single image and a short normal prompt. Then try this sequence image plus detailed prompt workflow. The difference is absolutely huge. The AI understands the motion much better, the expressions become more consistent, and the final video looks way more realistic and professional. So yeah, that's basically how people are creating these viral AI stadium images and videos all over the internet right now. Go ahead and try it yourself. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.